Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect the Google Maps API to N8N step by step. So step 1, you can go to the Google Cloud Console and create a new project or select an existing one. Step 2, enable the Google Maps API. You need a geocoding API, places API, or directions API. Step 3, navigate to the API and services and then click credentials and you can now create an API key and make sure to restrict it only to the services that you will use it. Step 4. Open your N8N and create a new workflow. You can add an HTTP request node and set the method to get and use an endpoint like this one. Step 6. Replace the new plus York with a dynamic input if needed and paste your Google Maps API key. And step 7, click Execute Node to test the connection. You should get the location or route data depending on the API that you used. And now, your N8N workflow is successfully connected with Google Maps. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.